Yo, what's up today? I got a new hairstyle. I mean, haircut with the tidy up. Looks good, right? Could you imagine as I'm stuck in the traffic jam? Yeah, but that's the Gatsu Timur in Denpasar. So, pretty normal. Traffic in Denpasar is kinda busy. Now I'm trying to record myself and driving. Never do it at home in Europe, but in Asia it's alright. And red light at the front. Here we go. Oh my god. Alright. Oh, sunny, not so good light. Alright, today is the day as I have completely no idea what to do and where to go, and generally I was sleep long. I just edit the video and I was just bored, and but I always, if I have a day like this, I always saying, Bob Marley once said, the people who is trying to make this world worst, they not taking day off. Why should I? And here we go. Today will be another vlog, like always. This is the reason why you should subscribe to our channel, to my channel today, now, because we do the daily vlogs every single day. Is new video at 7 p.m. Bali time. No excuses. Even I'm sick, I'm tired, I have no time, will be something. Subscribe now. Alright, as you can see, the traffic in Denpasar is quite busy, quite strong, hard. Check this out. And the guy is trying to pass the road. I wish the good luck to him, but he made this. Anyway, I'm on the way to the Canggu. I wanna check this out, how's the things in the Finns Beach Club area and Berava, and also I wanna go to the Oldsman, but unfortunately I cannot make an officially vlog in Oldsman because it's not allowed to record there, but I will make a few snaps using my iPhone. Will be no problem, I hope so. Anyway, check this out. When I was making the previous sequence, the police car was just next to me, like there, and they are still here actually. This is the police car, and as I'm recording myself in the car as driver, is no problem here. We are in the wakakakakaka. Here is no problem with the stuff like this, so don't you worry, I'm fine. Only have one serious thing: you have to have mask. No matter, you can have no helmet on the street if you drive a motorbike. No helmet, you drive, you have a mask. Great job. I don't know why so many Grab drivers over there. Something happened? Or freebies? Maybe freebies. Because the trend is as the many companies giving free food for the Grab Gojek driver, which is the kind of Uber. This is actually kind of paradox, because these people have a job, they have a bike, they drive. It's actually more better now for them than before, because everybody are happy now as the Grab is okay, because they deliver food, blah blah blah. but so the company is giving them free food because they said as they are poor, but actually the real poor people sitting at home and with the heads down and well, I don't know what should I say, but these people really needs help. Grab driver still working, so actually they are fine, right? So basically, as you see, I just arrived to the Canggu. I passed the Old Baravan area and arrived to the Finns Beach Club area. Finns Beach Club is closed. However, as you can see, it's quite busy over here, so that's why I'm gonna put my beautiful mask. So long time ago, if you wear like this, that means you're a bad person. I mean, not bad, but kinda bandito. But now it's fine. Better you have. I feel much more comfortable wearing this than the classic mask when talking, because I have more space and you hear me more better. So I will use this one and I will show you guys around. However, it was a little bit rainy on the way, as you saw. Glad as I took the car. However, I didn't took the car because of the oh my god, I can't breathe already. I didn't took the car just because of the rain, because I didn't know it was gonna be rainy. However, Canggu area now is not the safest area in Bali. Long time ago, people was thinking, God. Long time ago, people was thinking Skuta Legian is dangerous, especially on the small wee gangs, and that was true. Now it's the Canggu, especially Batu Bolong area. If you're gonna leave your bike and you have something inside under your seat, it's very big chance somebody gonna break all your bike seat and they gonna take it, especially if you're gonna leave the iPhone there, if you go surfing, or laptop, camera, drone. A lot of cases like this happened in the past days, past weeks. And also some people trying to snitch or take your bag while you're driving, especially if you're a lady. And also last story was as the guy, the bullet, this is mostly happened to the white people, had a brand new bike that was the NMAX or XMAX, I'm not sure 100%, and was gone just from the Pepito shop market. Somebody just steal it somehow, I don't know how, but it's the true story. And I decided that better I gonna drive a car just for the safety purposes if I go to Canggu nowadays. And why is Canggu like this? I think that's because of the most of the young people who are stayed in Bali, they are staying in Canggu, and mostly of them, they have a lots of fancy gear, they living in the villas, they are kind of people who have money, so it's opportunity to steal something from them, especially most of them, they have new iPhones, laptops, MacBooks, drones, cameras, no stuff like this. So if they gonna take the risk to take something from these people, possibly they gonna get a lot of money, and so that's how it is. Okay, I will show you now a little bit about Fins Beach Club, how is the condition over there, but I need to put this mask again. So as you can see, there is quite a lot of people over here. However, the Fins is closed. However, as you can see, quite a lot of people. Yeah, that's the house, the condition over the close to the Fins Beach Club. Just come back. It's very cloudy, it's a little bit rainy, so I decided I will go now to Batu Bolong. I'm gonna go to Oldsman. I will show you how is there the condition. so that's how is the conditions in the Oldsman. I had a very nice burger, very good price, only $5. You have a bintang burger, fries, or $4 just burger and beer, so fully recommended. Yeah, we'll go home. I think I need to pick up Winnie from work today. She worked very long day, 12 hours or 13. I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog. Little bit different, quite a lot of talking than usual. Like always, new vlog at 7 p.m. Bali time. Quite difficult to get the good light to make a closing. However, like always, stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you tomorrow. Something new like always. See ya. Take care. Thank you.